In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can browse using Firefox in a private window. If you want to browse Incognito, all you need to do is to go to this menu icon here and then click on it. And here you'll see we have an option called New Private Window. If you click on it, it will go ahead and open up a private window. And now here you can now browse privately. Now, using this private window, you have to note that the browser will not store your history or cookies or any information that you are browsing on this desktop. So this makes your browsing very much private. However, you have to note that details such as your IP address will still be exposed. If you want to hide your IP address, then you may want to go ahead and use a VPN to hide your VPN address. Now, what happens is whenever you browse, all the search histories and cookies will immediately be cleared from your browser when you close all private windows. However, this doesn't make you anonymous as we said. So that's how you can switch to private window in Firefox browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.